Guys, welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a up canvas menu to your website, to your WordPress website basically, because I'm going to make this up canvas menu by using Elementor and Elementor Pro. So guys, I hope you can see a website which I am visiting now. This is a site. Actually, I'm doing redesign this website for my client and uh, localhost. I'm doing it localhost. So you can see there is a header, left side there is a icon, but right side there is no menu for this website, because I want to make a off canvas menu and I wanted to show you guys how I can make this so that you can make a off canvas to your website. That is why I didn't make the website menu yet. Actually, here will be an icon. Here will be icon. Whenever I will click on icon, a off canvas menu will come out from a right side. So this is the concept actually for off canvas menu. So for doing this off canvas menu, first of all I shall go here, template, and then pop-up builder. I also will be needed theme builder, so I will open this because I have made the header from this theme builder, so I have to edit that one also. So click here, add new, and this will be pop up, and here we have to give a name for this off canvas menu. So I will give actually there will be some pre-made pop-up templates, so I'm not going to use any of them. So I'll just click close button, and that's it. So this is the actual off canvas uh, area. So I shall just click here, and then I shall just keep it right side, and will be 400. No 400. 300 is enough for me, and fit to screen because I want this top to bottom cover. And then this is overlay. You can see, if you want to keep this overlay, just show it, and close button also here. So I want to keep them as they are showing, and this is actually will be our canvas menu. So now we have to work here. Just we want to keep a structure. This one I'm just using, and yeah, main menu. Okay, this one. This will be sorry, drop down. Okay, vertical is okay, and then this one I have to use this inside the container. So this is the menu actually. So I just want to give some padding here. Okay, padding top 50, 50 pixel, 50 or 60. You can give whatever you like. Actually, this design depends on you, how you like to design actually. And then we can style it. Okay, this one is one main menu. This is hover. This is, I want this not this color actually. Just for example, I am using this color here, also here. Okay, not now. Later I shall do that. This one. Yeah. And then this remove the bar bottom hover. Okay, this is okay for me. So just now I would like to add a button here. Okay. So for that, just take a button, center, and this is okay for me, and just contact us. The color is okay for the this now. I don't want to change it. Actually, I want to keep the tutorial shorter. So you can design as your requirement, as your client's requirement. Okay. So actually, main concept, I hope you guys can understand that how you can make this actually. Okay. So this we can work for this cross button also. Just click here. This is cross button and style cross button. You can increase the size here a little bit, 55, yeah, 22, 20 pixel, button size, and we can change the position also vertically. This one okay, and horizontally. I just want to take this middle actually. Maybe this one is okay. We also can change color, hover, everything. Okay, so for this now I'm not doing so. It's okay. It's not looking bad actually. So just I will publish this. I don't want to add any condition here. Just save and close. Okay. So now we shall go to theme builder section. Okay, where I made this header actually, because we have to integrate this pop-up with our header so that it works properly. Now click on header, and this is my header, so I will edit this one. Take a button here. Okay. Button. I will just remove this. Just it will be like this, and I will use the menu. Okay, so this one can take, or this one. Okay, this one is looking good. It will show right side. There will be no background actually. Let's remove. So this is actually button. So we shall click here and we shall select pop-up and then click this icon and select our menu. Okay, we just keep the name tutorial, our menu, this one, tutorial menu, and then update. Hopefully our work is done. So let's check now. I refresh the page, home page, or any page, and you can see the icon here. Just click here, the menu will be here. Okay, so I think guys, you can see the menu is working nicely. Our pop-up menu is working here nicely. Actually, we wanted this one. So I hope you have understood that how you can make this pop-up menu in your WordPress website by using Elementor. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, like, comment and share. Because I am publishing this kind of helpful video all the time. So that's all. See you in the next tutorial with another topics. Bye bye.